Hello everyone, I am Satish Kumar, lecturer in English in Suraj School, Mahendragarh. Today I am going to deliver a lecture on the topic advertisement. In today's video, now I am going to tell you about an example which is related to lost and found category. In my last video, I have told you about the definition of an advertisement. You know very well that advertisement is a medium of getting information through TV, newspaper, radio, and after that I told you about types of an advertisement. You know very well that advertisement we can divide into two categories, classify and commercial. After that, the structure of an advertisement, and this is the structure for classified advertisement. First of all, we should mention word advertisement in capital with black pen. After that, we should leave two lines between advertisement and title. After that, we should mention content, and after that we should make a box. And these are some relevant features of advertisement writing. This is the first category, lost and found category. If you lost anything, you should start your content with lost. If you found anything, you should start your content with the word found, and after that these are relevant information. These are relevant characteristics about lost and found category. This was the first example which I told you in my last video. Okay, this is the answer of that question. Now in today's video I am going to tell you about an example which is related to lost and found category. First of all, you should read the question in a proper way. You found a briefcase. You found a briefcase. You found a briefcase while traveling by train from Mahendragarh to Rewari. Highlight main points in the caption. Write an advertisement. Okay, for the lost and found column of a local newspaper. First of all, you should read the question in a proper way. When you will read the question, then you will highlight main points in the question, and after that you should give the answer according to the structure of the classified advertisement. Okay, this is the question. Now I am going to tell you about the answer of this question, advertisement. According to the structure, first of all we should mention word advertisement. After that we should leave two lines between advertisement and title. We should mention title according to the category. If you lost anything, then you should write title lost and found. If you found anything, in that case you should also write title lost and found. Okay, in capital with black pen. After that you should leave one line between title and content. Found a locked VIP briefcase. According to the question, you have found a briefcase. Write an advertisement. Then we should write the thing according to the question. Found a locked VIP briefcase on 14th May. If no date is given in the question, then you can write date according to your own way. While traveling by JP Express. If train name is not given in the question, then you can write any name. Okay, the owner may contact Rahul Kumar, New Colony, Gurugram, or phone number. You should mention or write the phone number which is given in the question. If no phone number is given in the question, then you can write any phone number according to your own way. Okay, after it, and collect it after giving its complete description. Okay, and after just completion of the content, you should make a box. Okay, In this example, you should follow all the relevant characteristics regarding classified advertisement. Like you should start your advertisement according to the category. If you lost anything, then you should start your content with the word lost. If you found anything, then you should start from the word found. Okay. After that, you should give all relevant information regarding question. Okay. And after just giving all relevant information regarding the question, you should write name of the writer at the end of the content, and after that, just completion of the content, you should make a box. Okay. In today's video, we have discussed about an example which is related to classified advertisement and also related with the category lost and found. Okay. First of all, we should read the question, and after that we should give the answer according to the structure of classified advertisement. First of all, mention advertisement, after that title, and after that we should write content. In content, we should provide all relevant information regarding the question. If no information is given in the question, then you should provide information according to your own way. Okay, that's all for today. Thanks and have a nice day. Okay.